Good morning, people of Room by the Hour. This is Wifey edition. I'm the one that is traveling this time, and we are in Bryan College Station, Texas, home of the Texas Aggies. Woo! I did not film when I left yesterday. I left work, came straight here, so it was an adventure yesterday. And so I got checked in and I needed to go to bed because today was hair wash day, so I had to wash my hair on the road. So not ready for that. I absolutely try not to wash my hair on the road, but it was inevitable. I was going to have to anyways. On Wednesday, after class is over, I am driving to Oklahoma because you know that's my other happy place. And there's no football game, just gonna go hang out with my grandma and take care of her. But we are staying at a Courtyard by Marriott, obviously, because I'm a Marriott girl. And I'll show you the room later. It's kind of messy right now, but probably a little bit later I'll show you guys the room. Still standard, really nice. They have a Keurig, which is super exciting because I don't like those little push-in things, coffee pots. I think those are horrible, and the coffee is gross. So I got to use my own Keurig, or my own K-cups, so that's great. But yeah, I got up early and we are about to go teach class, and I've got probably about an hour or so left before I am able to leave. I'm only like 15 minutes away, so I'm just gonna chill out, hang out here, and then I'll finish getting ready. But yeah, we'll probably go see the campus, and yes, I will be wearing OU stuff probably when we go see the campus. And ask me if I care, because I will sport that and I will rep it every single time. Don't care where I'm at. So we'll probably go see that sometime this week. Hopefully whenever I get out of class, and I have to be like really quick because, you know, the time change and everything and all the sun going down and everything. But anyways, I've talked and rambled on so long that probably will be edited in a lot of that stuff out. But anyways, come join us in College Station. Also, I am going to actually try to do the editing this time. So if the editing sucks, you can blame it on me, not Lloyd. But he's always like, you need to learn how to edit. You need to learn how to edit. So guess I'll start editing. But we're not going to tell him that I'm doing it. It will be a surprise. And I'll show y'all his reaction whenever I send him the video. Hey everybody, let's take a look at the room. We're inside. Yay, yes. This is my room. I've been here for a couple of days, so just so you know, I figured I would do it whenever they cleaned it. Closet, super nice. Got an ironing board, extra blankets, and things of that nature. A small counter space. I don't like the counters. And then I always do not like the door that has to close in order for you to get in through the shower. Shower head's pretty big. I will say this, the shower is super hot and I love it. I actually have to turn it way down because it is almost too hot for me. Obviously the TV works, it's great. Got a couch, they have the desk that kind of pulls out. I do absolutely love that it's a Keurig, so I have all my little K-cups, so I've been making myself coffee in the morning. And then of course the bed, yes, lovely bed. And yes, I did bring my OU stuff, okay? I brought my OU stuff because I'm that fan. I am that fan. And so honestly, I got some looks and I've received some looks, and that's okay. I don't mind. It is what it is. But you know, I'm gonna rep them every time. Their football team is pretty good this year, so I mean, it's what it is. Okay, we're out of class and I am going to put in my GPS. We're gonna go over to Texas A&M and we're gonna see that college. I have never been, so the students actually gave me some good places to go, and so I am gonna go and we're just gonna film and we're gonna have ourselves a little walk around campus. Looks like they are practicing military military stuff. All right, guys, so I made it. I don't know exactly where I'm at. I just saw a sign for the park, and so we are gonna go and see what we can see. I am next to the stadium, so I'm fixing to show you guys that their stadium. It's pretty cool. I believe this is the memorial for the bonfire that collapsed back in 1999, and this is the memorial they put up for them, I think. Oh, I stand corrected. It is not. This is their Aggie Park. It's actually really pretty. Really pretty. Little pond that they made. So cool. Still not my OU Sooners, but that's okay. We won't hold it against them. It's very pretty though. I like it. Their football team is actually doing very well this season. They're really good. So it's about time they're good. I like that. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It looks like they are setting up for, I don't know, some event. People have events at colleges all the time. It's crazy. I mean, I guess if you really wanted to, you could. I really don't want to go very far because I don't want to get lost. But yeah, don't want to get lost from where I parked. I don't know how these videos are going to turn out because the sun is absolutely blinding today. Just chilling. Playing in the pond. Okay, so I came back to the car because I really am not sure if the little rail thingies will come down at a certain time. And so I'm like super paranoid that I'm going to get stuck inside this parking lot. But I really just don't want to walk all the way around the campus. For one, the sun's fixing to go down, so you're not going to be able to see anything. But you know, the biggest part is seeing the stadium, and you got to see the stadium, and it's pretty cool. I mean, it's big, but we got to see Kyle Park, and you know, got to experience A&M. I'm not gonna turn into an Aggie fan, just so you know. No Aggie fan for me. But again, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look who came to visit me.
What's up? I mean, it was either drive 190 miles over to see her, because I ain't seen her in a few days, and I won't see her for another week, or drive 320 miles to go home. So, yeah. I was,
So, I guess we can tell him now. Tell him now. So, you're not going to be editing this video. I am. I've already started.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Did you edit your other one that you never finished?
That one's not on here. That one was the Albany one. And it was already done. The only one I have on here is the Albany one.
Oh, no. There was another one. It never got put together.
So, yeah.
Hey, y'all want to know what I was doing? I was going, and we're buying out an entire hotel for a party. So, yeah. There's going to be a whole big video about that.
We're super excited about that. But anyways, my arm is hurting. So we are going to go to bed. I have one more day's class. And yeah, then it's off to Oklahoma. Well, class is over. And we are on our way to Norman. And we will be there in like 5-6 hours. So yeah, here's to driving and jamming out.